We have the ThinkPad T490 in-house, and we're going to unbox it and give you our first impressions. Straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from TECHAERIS.com. If you hadn't noticed in that intro, I am not in my office, but I am on the road in Omaha, Nebraska, doing some business. So I will be doing a few videos out here. Excuse the lighting, and hopefully the sound's going to be good. But we're going to get right to this unboxing of the ThinkPad T490. All right, guys, we are going to unbox this ThinkPad T490. This is the 2019 model. We are going to unbox it, give you our first impressions, full review on the website as soon as I can get to it. So let's just get straight to this unboxing here and take a look. And in there you get your power cable and power brick. This is a USB-C. So Lenovo has been doing USB-C lately with their ThinkPads and their Lenovo laptops, which is a great thing. Your warranty and safety guide. All right, guys, we're back. I got the box for contrast against this black surface that I'm working on. I didn't want that all to blend in, but as you can see, the design of a ThinkPad is the design of a ThinkPad. It's not changed much. They kind of like sticking with what they've done, and they do it really well. The one thing that Lenovo and ThinkPad are known for is the durability of these machines. These machines are built to last. They're enterprise machines built for business people and people who are on the go, and they can take a lot of punishment. That's one thing that ThinkPads have always been known for, and it doesn't change here. We'll turn it over here, and you can see the venting on the back of the device. Vents here, vent, and pretty much nothing else here. Just 4 rubber feet. And then your screws, which I don't know if this is upgradable or not. I'll have to look into that. We're not going to take it apart here. All right, we got some ports here. Lenovo's good at putting ports on these ThinkPads. They know that business people use ports quite a bit. So you have the micro SD slot here for reading micro SD cards. You got your headphone jack, HDMI 1.4, USB-A 3.1, USB-C for power, and USB-C again with Intel Thunderbolt 3, and DisplayPort and data transfer all can happen right here. On the other side, you have another 3.1 Type A and an RJ45 for your Ethernet, which is invaluable to a lot of people. So, and another vent here for fan, for venting the laptop to keep it cool. And let's open this guy up and take a look. I don't expect much of any changes on this because Lenovo is pretty much good about just keeping their design the way it is. So here's that keyboard. I love these ThinkPad keyboards. These are amazing keyboards. They have great tactile feedback. I love travel. It's not too deep. It's not too shallow. The trackpads are really nice. And then, it is a backlit keyboard. And then it looks like we have sound speakers at the top, which is awesome. This is something that I've told Lenovo in the past that they need to do, is get this sound on the top. So sound bar here, power button there. There's your ThinkPad branding right there. And let's power this guy up. See if she's got power. And it looks like she's got some. We're running an Intel Core i7 on this guy. We'll get the full specs in just a minute once we power up. All right, guys, we are back, and we have the Lenovo T490 right here. And it's, of course, running Windows 10 Pro. This one's got a 16 gigs of RAM installed, running a Core i7 8565U CPU, clocked at 1.8 and maxing out 1.99. No touch or input is available for the display, so this is a non-touch display. So you can get a touch display, and that's going to cost you a little bit more. I don't particularly need a touch display, so it doesn't bother me any. All right, so this is a 2560 by 1440 display. So that is a QHD display, and Lenovo's displays have been really nice. I really like them a lot. Let's take a look real quick to see what kind of, if we got any bloatware installed here. Yeah, there we go. We got some games pre-installed. These actually might just be launcher tiles here. They may not actually have the game installed. It may just take you to the store Let's open that up. No, actually that is installed. So Candy Crush Saga. If you want to play Candy Crush Saga, it will be on this machine. I wish they would not install that stuff here, but they do. It looks like we have a Lenovo Vantage, and has Dolby Sound. And other than these few games over here, it doesn't look like there's much of any bloatware installed. The display looks absolutely awesome. The other thing that Lenovo's been doing lately is on security, especially for you guys that want to cover your webcams. Just slide that right over, and that opens and closes the shutter on your webcam. So if you want, if you're nervous about privacy, just slide it over, and you're ready to go. As you can see, it folds back flat. Does not do the whole yoga thing. That is nice to have too, but I don't need the yoga. I don't like the tablet versions of these because I just don't use it in tablet mode. But it is nice to have it fold flat because when you're sitting or laying in bed or something, you can fold it. It does come with a fingerprint sensor right there, and the keyboard is backlit. It's hard to see on camera, but it has like 3 levels of brightness. But pretty much, guys, this is your basic Lenovo laptop here, and we'll have a full review on this guy. I will make sure I put the specs down below and as to what's on this particular model, and we'll link to the actual webpage where you can actually purchase this. This is a 14-inch screen. It is a nice screen. It's a great looking laptop. We will have a full review later on the website. I'm gonna go. I got a lot of work to do out here in Omaha. We will be back hopefully with another unboxing of another laptop this week, and thanks for watching. If you would please like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you are subscribed, I appreciate it. Make sure you hit the notifications bell. That way you get notified of all these videos that we end up doing, and you'll be on the list. So, hey guys, we are gonna get out of here, and we will talk to you guys on the other side.